Hello, this is Hitansi with the Bain Group, and we'll be looking at how to create page templates in SharePoint as well as how to use them. We will be covering the following: creating a template, when to use a template, and how to use a template. Creating page templates in SharePoint can help you save time when creating SharePoint content. For example, if you're adding pages to your company's intranet and you have to follow certain guidelines, creating a template can be very useful. Different projects and who is assigned to those projects. To create a template, we first have to make a page in a SharePoint site, which we can do on the home page of your SharePoint site. To do so, we will click on the new drop-down menu in the upper left here. Then we will click Page. A pop-up will appear where you can choose which built-in page template you want to use. SharePoint gives 3 options out of the box, and when you click on each, it gives you a visual of how the page will look if you choose that template. For the purpose of this demo, we will choose a blank page. After choosing blank, click on Create Page in the bottom right. You will be prompted to a new page where you can design your own site page to create your template. I will create an example of a site page using different web parts. The PM team needs to keep track of the different projects that employees are working on. So to do this, creating a template would be very convenient for the PM team as well as the leads on those projects. We can title this Tool Name. This title will help the user write in their tool name when they are using this page template. We can add web parts such as the people picker. We can title this as Leads. So these are the leads of the project. Next, we can add another web part such as a document library that can lead the user to all the tool resources. So for this demo, I will just add in a demo docs document library just to fill in the web part. And lastly, we can also add quick links to the web part. This link can lead directly to the tool itself, to any related documents that could be helpful for the user. But for this demo, I'm just going to link Google, but you can add in any links that are relevant to the project. So after adding all the web parts that we want on the page, we can go ahead and publish our site. Again, before you publish the site, you can also add in a picture if you wanted to make the site a little colorful, a little prettier if you wanted. So I'm just going to add in a picture. Let's have this. And I'm going to publish the site. So you can publish the site in the upper right hand corner by clicking Publish. Once the site is published, a pop-up sidebar will appear, and one of the options on there will be to save this page as a page template. So we can click on that, and our page will be saved as a template. You can see that with the screen information bar that pops up. The next part of this video is using that template that you created. So it tells you to add a title, so we can say Project Management, and save this page as a template in the upper right corner right here. And now to use the page template, we will go back to the home page. We'll click on the new drop-down menu and click Page. And as you can see here, the page that we created has popped up right there. Here you can see all the different pages that have been saved on this site. Click on this page and then you can create the page from this template by clicking Create Page on the bottom down here. From here, you can adjust and modify all your information that you want to display and publish on your site. And that is how you can create and use a page template on SharePoint sites. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and we will see you next time. Thank you.